Welcome back to this video. If you use MTN data browse to browse on internet and also all of a sudden you run out of data, and instead of you subscribe to a new data plan, you can switch to browsing with your airtime on your MTN line. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So for you to browse with airtime on your MTN line, what you need to do is to go to your dialer. Then when you get to your dialer, simply dial star 312 star 200, then hash, then hit on send. Dear customer, your request to browse at this was successful. To cancel this, you can see option to cancel it. So you can see the message right here. So which simply means that, dear customer, your request to browse at 3 naira 0.7 kobo megabyte was successful. To cancel, they give you an option to cancel it if you no longer want to use your airtime for browsing again. It's that simple. So simply click on cancel right here and then you start browsing with your airtime or your MTN line. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.